Industrial pallet washing lines often face a bottleneck, manually transitioning pallets from horizontal storage to a vertical cleaning orientation. This process is labor-intensive, inefficient, and poses safety risks. Our automated system offers a comprehensive solution, integrating pallet detacking, 90-degree rotation, precise feeding, and subsequent restacking for a fully automated washing workflow. The system automatically detacks dirty pallets. An integrated rotation module reorients each pallet 90 degrees, converting horizontal to vertical alignment for washing. Pallets are then automatically fed into the washing machine via a synchronized transfer conveyor. Post-cleaning, the system performs a reverse 90-degree rotation, returning pallets to horizontal, followed by automated stacking into consistent bundles for storage or transport. This automation significantly reduces labor costs and substantially increases throughput by eliminating manual handling. Workplace safety improves, and vertical feeding optimizes factory floor space. The system ensures consistent, repeatable handling and integrates easily with new or existing washing machines. We provide the critical automation connecting pallet storage, washing, and stacking. Our specialized 90-degree rotation technology is central to enabling fully automated pallet cleaning operations.